Is your Gmail security keeping you up at night? Let's fix that. Today, I'll show you how to change your Gmail password directly from your Android device in just a few easy steps. First, locate the Gmail app on your Android device and tap to open it. Once the Gmail app is open, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of your screen. This is the menu button. Tap it. A menu will slide out from the left. Scroll down through this menu until you find Settings. Tap on Settings to proceed. You'll now see a list of your Gmail accounts. Select the Gmail account for which you want to change the password. Tap on that account. On the account settings screen, you'll see an option that says, Manage your Google account. Tap on Manage your Google account. This will take you to your Google account settings. Now, navigate to the Personal Info tab. It's usually located near the top of the screen. Tap on it. Scroll down the Personal Info page until you find the Password section. It will display when you last changed your password. Tap on Password. You may be asked to verify your identity. This could involve entering your current password, using a security key, or completing another authentication step. Follow the on-screen instructions. Once your identity is verified, you'll be taken to the New Password screen. Enter your new password in both the New Password and Confirm New Password fields. Make sure your new password is strong and unique. After entering your new password, tap the Save Password button at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your Gmail password has now been successfully changed on your Android device. Remember to keep your password safe and secure. Changing your password regularly enhances your account security and protects your personal information. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.